Hello and welcome to our video tutorial on how to make delicious noodles at home. So, let's get started. Ingredients: 200 grams of noodles, water, salt, 1 tablespoon of oil, vegetables of your choice, optional, sauce of your choice, optional. Step 1. Boil the noodles in a pot, add water and bring it to a boil. Once the water starts boiling, add salt to it. Then, add the noodles and stir gently to make sure they don't stick together. Cook the noodles for about 3 to 4 minutes or until they are tender. Step 2. Add 1 tablespoon of oil to them and toss to coat evenly. Step 3. Add vegetables, optional. You can add vegetables of your choice to the noodles to make it more nutritious and flavorful. Once the vegetables are cooked, add them to the noodles. Step 4. Add sauce, optional. If you like your noodles to be saucy, you can add a sauce of your choice. Mix the sauce with the noodles and vegetables until they are evenly coated. Step 5. Serve. Your noodles are now ready to be served. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching, and happy cooking.